When you buy a used motorhome, you many times aren't going to get everything that you want in it. You may not be the colors that you want, or the furniture, or a lot of different things. For us, most of it was great, but the furniture was not good at all. And a lot of you have asked about this video because you've noticed a little change in Stella, and you said, what did you do with your furniture? So in this video, we're going to talk about an amazing upgrade we made to Stella to be more comfortable. When we bought Stella back in May of 2025, what we had on here as a setup is two opposing couches. They were just couches. The one that was here was a pull-out bed, and it was unbelievable. Jason did attempt to sleep on it. It was horrible. It was a blow-up mattress on the bed, and it was a good length, both of them, but they were very uncomfortable. It got to the point where I wasn't even sitting on the couches. So if I were going to watch TV, I would be sitting at the dinette. And I've heard some people make comments before that they said a lot of times if their furniture is that uncomfortable, they don't even use it. I didn't want to be on furniture that was really uncomfortable because I love sitting. If I'm watching a show at night or something that I like, I want to be able to sit and relax and watch it.
If you've been following us for a while, you know, on our last motorhome, Nelly, we had furniture from Thomas Paine, and it served us really well. We had the Seismic series, but for 2025, maybe into 26, but definitely in 25, the Seismic series was updated. So they made improvements to it. One of the big improvements was the material was a 7-year warranty, but we had never had an issue with the other one, but we really liked that Seismic series. So what we did was we searched online. Obviously on e-trailer, you can see these things. It's one of the things they carried, and we upgraded our furniture, and we kept the Seismic series from Thomas Paine for a couple of reasons. Number one, we knew what it was. We really loved our last furniture. Number two, very easy to install. It comes in pieces. It's light. You can put it together. So let's show you what we got. So we bought the whole set. We have the Seismic series recliners, theater seats, with the center console. Now you can get this without the center console. You can get it with a more narrow center console. We chose a wider one so you can put them together in different configurations. You can see the color that we got is the driftwood as we show you. This was a big one here. This pull-out couch is extremely long. And the reason why we got this is because it will show you, it comes out all the way to about here. Very comfortable.
As Izzy said, we got this one. We were very attracted to the length of this. Jason was with us for about 3 weeks at the beginning of this year before he went back to school. So he was traveling with us. Jason, if you don't follow us, our son is almost 6'5". So even a trifold bed, he's hanging off. This almost fits him vertically perfectly. You just take these off, and then this is going to pull out so easy. A lot of times these beds you have to fight with. Bam, done. Then this is going to pop right down, and here you go. So this is a very long bed, as Izzy said.
Why don't you lay in it to kind of show the size of it?
Show you, yeah. And Jason did say it was comfortable too. So for me, it's no problem at all. I have room up top. I have room down the bottom, and it's really, really comfortable.
Fold this bed back up. You flip the top part back up. Again, it's very simple. There's no moving legs. I hated that their air mattress. That was the stupidest design. It's pretty bad because the mattress always leaks, and then you're fighting with it, and it's really annoying. But this is, I mean, that's it. You go there, your cushions go back, and it's done. I know Jason loved this. I love the ease of it. You don't want to be fighting with these things like right before you go to bed or you wake up in the morning, and that's it, you're back. So let's show some of the features on here. I spoke about it earlier. These come in pieces. So this part here is detached from the bottom, and then they click together. So it's very easy to get out of any RV. You can see we had a lot of space. So we gained some space. I think we also shed weight. So let's go through some of the features on here. Number one, you have this little accessory port on each one of the recliners. And in there, you can put tables. There's all different things that Lippert sells. We don't really choose to use that because it's not something that we will really use. But if you go into the cup holder, they definitely did improvements on this. So there used to be, if you would touch this, it would light up. And I didn't really like that because you always accidentally touching it. Now you just hit the light, and that light will activate the light in the cup holder as well as the LED light underneath. If you're wondering why are there two-way radios here, well, that is because I'm going to show you another feature that we have here in the center console is going to be the pop-up with the USBs, and you do get power, and we use that to charge up our radio, or if you want to charge up your phone, you can do that. So let's go through the little control panel here. First of all, you have a USB-C on each seat, so that's a nice thing. Over here is a massage. You hit that, it will start massaging you. you hit that off. This feature here is your headrest. It will move back and forth the headrest. This will return the headrest back. Over here is the lumbar support. So if you push this, it will fill up the lumbar. If you push this button, it will release the lumbar. Here is your leg extension. MJ is going to show you all this in real world as it happens. And then if you push it back to home, it will go back home. This over here is a heating function. It will heat up your seats on a cold day. And this I showed you earlier is the light.
I like the color too. It actually is a nice contrast to the furniture that we have in here. I wasn't sure if I was going to like it, but I actually really do. They also have 2 cup holders here. So you saw they light up if you'd like them to. A good storage space. I actually keep a blanket in here, Grand Ole Opry blanket. So if you're, if it's a cooler day and you want to cuddle up with a blanket, it's perfect. You can keep remotes or whatever in there.
So overall, for us, this was a worthy upgrade. This is something we're going to use all the time. It was a huge upgrade when we had Nellie, huge upgrade now when we have Stella. If we would have bought new, this is how we would have optioned it, but we didn't buy new, and going to cost way less optioning it this way than it would be from the factory anyway. We haven't had problems with this. We didn't have problems with the last one. So what's your opinion on it?
I love them. Again, I love sitting in theater seats when we had Nellie, and I was really bummed when we got this because of the couches. They were just so uncomfortable. I know first world problems, but they were really uncomfortable. So I'm thrilled with these. We absolutely love them. And as Izzy mentioned, these are available on eTrailer. We get so many products from eTrailer. They have every RV product you can imagine. I don't think people even realize that they sell furniture, but they do.
Yeah, we got our tow setup, our braking, our lighting systems, and they have furniture, AC unit. I mean, they got pretty much everything that you can look for on an RV. They're going to have most of it. US-based company. We love them. We can't say enough about them. So if you want more information, we'll put a link to this eTrailer link. Also, if you have questions about this or any feedback, I know there's a lot of companies that do different types of furniture upgrades. You can spend as little or as much as you want. We didn't want to go too crazy. We didn't want to be too cheap. And this kind of was the perfect fit our budget. So we want your feedback down below. And if you like videos like this, we'll put an RV DIY video right over here as a playlist. We thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the road.